Hello and welcome back. Okay, today I've got another challenge lock. Another challenge lock that was sent to me by the Late Night Lockpicker. Thank you ever so much for all the locks again, Chris. I really appreciate it. Now this is the second one which I'm going to try and pick, and this will be my first attempt to try and get it open. So this could be a short video or it could be a long video. But once again, if you haven't checked out the Late Night Lockpicker's channel, then get yourself over there. Guys, absolutely fantastic. Got a fantastic channel, and as you can see by the last challenge lock I picked for him, makes awesome challenge locks with some really cool pins in. Okay, so let's see what it takes to get into this. I'm going to use Toppler keyway with a 50,000 Sparrows tension wrench and my old faithful Salford medium hook. Okay, yes, what we got in there? Oh, sorry, the key. Yes, it's called a Bumpy Road by Late Night Lockpicker. The key's mummied, as you can see, so we've got no chance of working out what the bitting is. Okay, let's just drop the tension wrench. Let's see what it takes. Okay, use light tension. Spring pressure is really light on these. On this. Okay, so we'll go see what we do. Okay, to the back of the lock. Okay, pin 5 or 6. A few crunches out of him. 3. Okay, 1 seemed to give me a bit of a click. Let's go to the back again. Nothing. Nothing. 2. Click on 2. A little bit of movement. A little bit of a full set off of 5, I think. Lighten the tension off a bit. So we start. Okay, so another go, just tighten the tension off a bit. Okay, pin 5. Got a click and a little movement on the core. Nothing. Got a little bit of movement off of 4, I think. Got a click out of 4. 2, click off of 2. Nothing off of 1. And 1 feels solid. Click out 5, 4. Let's restart again. Okay. 5. Got a full set. Got about a full set at a time. 3. Nice click out of 3. And we open off of 1. Superb. Whoa, excellent. What an excellent lock. Great feedback there. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, do we look at the key or not? Yeah, I think we will. Let's have a look at the key, see what's going on with the key. Okay. As I said at the start of this, it's definitely worth going over to the Late Night Lockpicker's channel, because he's got a fantastic channel, and let's get this out. Oh, there we go. Okay. Wow. Now that is challenge lock bitting. Superb. And it works absolutely perfectly. Absolutely perfect. Superb job, Chris. Absolutely superb job. Look at that. Okay, there we go. Let's get this thing open. Okay. I've got my new pinning tray, which I made last weekend. I have a little bit of oak floorboard. Huh. It did the trick though. Okay. There's the spring. The spring's still in there. Okay, there we go. Let's get a shim. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna follow up. Okay. Okay, so it's in frame. Okay, 5-pinner. I can already see some magic there. I don't know if you can see it. See him on chamber number 3. Let's just turn around this way. Okay, so we've got serrations on 1, 2, and 4, and then number 3 has got like a little groove out of there just to obviously give a better full set, I think. Superb. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep. So we've got counter milling on 3, threading on 1, 2, and 4. Nothing in 5. Let's just get my tweezers. Okay, let's get these put on the right way. So we've got. That's that way around, and that's that way. So we've got a serrated on 1, serrated on 2, spool on 3, serrated on 4, and like a really cool spool on 5. Okay, let's see what's up top. Shim out. Superb. Okay, that's close. I was lucky there. Okay, so very light spring pressure. Okay, 1. In 1, we've got a spool. A spool and a serration on that. And threaded in the chamber as well. And number 2. Oh, there's a spring from number 1. Steel spring in 1. And then we've got a T-pin in 2 with a copper spring. And then we've got a serrated spool in 3, which went that way around, and a steel spring. Okay. And 5, so there's no pressure, no spring pressure, look, it's just sitting there. Okay, we've got a little tiny wee standard in 5 and a copper spring. Oh, we've got something special here. We've got a pin in pin, I think. So you've got a hole there. It's like a really cool serrated T-pin in there, but I'm guessing that it might have something else there. Anything else in there? Okay, doesn't seem to be a spring in there at all. No, don't seem to be a spring in there at all. Okay, so we've got threading in chamber 1, 2, nothing in 3. Chamber 4 is threaded. I'm not sure if I can see that spring in there or not. So look, I can feel it in there, you know. It's stuck. I'll have to work. It's a steel spring. I can see it now. I can't get it out. Come on. Oh wow! There we go. A double spring. A double spring in 4. There we go. There's nothing else in there. Okay. So close up. Let's zoom in here. So there we go. Okay, so we've got a serrated spool in 1, a double serrated in 2, a spool serrated in 3, a T-pin serrated in 4, and a spool in 5. And then we've got like a serrated serrated spool in 1, a serrated T-pin in 2, like a serrated spool in 3, a serrated T-pin in 4 with a hole in the centre of it, and then a little standard in 5. So there you go. And that's the key there as well. The Bumpy Road from the Late Night Lockpicker. Chris, thank you ever so much. Really appreciate everything. A lot was brilliant, fantastic feedback, and I'm really pleased I managed to get it first time as well. So that's good. Listen, as I said before, check out our Late Night Lockpickers channel. Well worth going over there, and I'll see you again soon. Take care now. Bye.